I bought it. I bought it. This is Raise the Root by Color Wow. We are trying it right now. I already blow dried the back of my hair because I'm mainly focusing on here. This is where my hair falls flat. It says spray on damp hair, making sure to concentrate application at the roots. But I've literally just washed my hair and it's damp, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. Okay, wait, that is a lot of volume. Like, look at the height. Genuinely, look at the height. I haven't had volume in my hair like this in so long, especially after bleaching my hair. This is insane. This is actually insane.